Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a very interesting recipe. Let's see how to make Pizookie. These are the ingredients you need for this recipe. So into a large bowl add some room temperature butter, add some brown sugar and mix it together. Now add some granulated sugar and combine it well. If you don't want this much sugar, you can always reduce this and make both into 1/3 cup. Now add in 1 room temperature egg and mix it. Add few drops of vanilla essence for the flavoring. Now let's add all the dry ingredients. Add in all-purpose flour, salt, some cornflour and some baking soda. Mix everything really well. Into this, I'm adding some dark chocolate shavings. You can also add chocolate chips. Now our cookie dough is ready. Now I'm going to make this on a mini iron skillet. But if you don't have a skillet, you can always make this on a baking pan. Now spread the dough nicely and put some more dark chocolate on top. Now it's time to bake. Place the skillet directly into the oven and start baking. So we're going to bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for around 30 minutes. So whenever I show my oven, this is the frequent question asked. Are you cooking this in a microwave? Hey guys, I'm having an LG convection oven, which is a microwave and also has an option to convert it into a baking mode. It's a 2-in-1, so that's why my tray keeps rotating even while baking. And after 30 minutes, our Pizookie is ready. Oh, my kitchen smells amazing. Let it cool down a bit, then add a scoop of ice cream with lots of melted chocolate. So this is the main advantage when you are cooking this on a mini skillet. Just take a spoon and directly dig in. And with the beautiful aroma, my little ones came running with the spoons. And slowly it became into a spoon fight. But we all enjoyed our warm Pizookie with ice cream. Oh, it was a real treat. So definitely try out this amazing recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to watch more interesting videos from our channel.